PQ or B, three mutually perpendicular vectors of same magnitude. Right. If a vector X satisfies the equation, and what else is given? P bar, Q bar are mutually perpendicular. Right. So here it is P bar cross X cross P minus Q cross P, which I can write P bar cross X bar cross P bar, P cross Q cross P. So which is same as P dot P into X minus P dot X into P. Here minus P dot P into Q minus P dot Q into P, which is mod P square into X bar, P dot X into P, because PQ are mutually perpendicular. So dot product is 0. Similarly, if you expand this, what you get is second term, Q square into X bar, Q dot X into Q, R bar. This one third term, if you expand it, R square into X minus Q dot X into R, right? Here, what you get? P you get. Sum of all this is equal to 0. So here, adding all this, you get mod P square, mod Q square. I will write because mod P is same as, mod Q is same as mod R. Here I will write P bar P dot X plus Q dot X plus here it is, this is R dot X. This P, Q are magnitude wise same, minus P square into Q plus R bar plus P bar is 0. P bar into P dot X plus Q bar into Q dot X plus R bar into R dot X. So now here, what about this vector means? Any vector can be generated by three non-coplanar vectors. P dot X means we get lambda times P dot P. P dot Y will be lambda times mu times P, P dot X, and what else we want? Q dot X. Q dot X will be mu times mod Q square. Again, R dot X will be K times mod R square. So P bar times P bar mod X is lambda times mod P whole square. Q dot X will be mu times mod Q whole square. R bar into R dot X is K times bar whole square. And this is this particular one. So since mod p, mod q, mod r are same, mod p square into p bar lambda q bar mu plus r bar k. So p bar lambda means x bar minus mu k bar minus kr bar plus mu k plus kr bar, it cancels. So after simplification, we get 3 times mod p square into x bar minus mod p square into q plus r is 0. So 2 times mod p square x bar is mod p square into p bar plus q bar plus r bar. X bar here is r bar by 2. So the mean of the numbers by 5 here is 6. 15 plus 23 here is 13. A plus B is 7. For variance, we have formula sigma square, sigma xi square by n. Here it is, this one is minus. She given it as 6.8. Sigma xi square means a square plus b square is 64. 25 plus 100 by 5 minus 36 is 6.8. 125 a square plus b square. 189 is 42.8 into 5. So it is 2. Here it is how much? 40 214. A square plus b square is 214 minus 189. A plus b is 7. From this, a value is 3. B value is 4. Possible. A number of ways of 5 identical balls can be put in 10 identical boxes. If boxes are identical, we cannot differentiate one box from other. So whether you put object here or here, there is no difference. That means 5 objects identical in 10 identical boxes can be placed in only one way. So that is this. So he given another condition, not more than one can go. So if he says box has unlimited capacity, then there is a possibility. 2 balls we can put here, one ball here, one ball here, then possibilities will arise. Now each box can hold maximum one ball. There is no more possibility, only one possibility. Boxes identical as well as balls identical. Here it is, fourth term is maximum, means T4 is greater than T5 remaining terms. At the same time, these terms are T4 will be more than T3. At the same time, T4 by T5 also greater than 1. Fourth term is 10C3 to power 7. It is 10C2 to power 8, 3x by 8 whole square. 10C3 NCR by NCR minus 1 is N minus R plus 1 by R. 10 minus 3, 7 plus 1, 8 by 3 into half 3x by 8 whole greater than 1. So that is x by 2 is greater than 1. So x is greater than 2. Now similarly, in fact here, numerical value mod x is greater than 2. Let us consider another term, T4 by T5. T4 here is same thing. T5 will be 10C4 to power 6 3x by 8. 10C4 by 10C3 will be 10 minus 4 by 7 by 4. So 428 by, which implies 3x by 28 is greater than 1. X is greater than 28 by 3. Sorry, here it is. There is a small mistake. In C4 by 10C3, this is 4 by 7 into 2 into 8 by 3x is greater than 1. So 64 by 21x, which is 21x by 64 is less than 1. Mod x is less than 64 by 21. So from here you can say either x less than minus 2 or x greater than 2. From here you can say x lies between minus 64 by 21, 64 by 21. 2 to here possibilities minus infinity to minus 2, 2 to infinity, minus 64 by 21. Possibilities, this is the common part. So minus 64 by 21 to minus 2 is acceptable answer. At the locus of foot of perpendicular from origin to the chords of the circle, here you have a circle. It is a chord locus of cutoff perpendicular of origin. Origin is within the circle because S11 put 0, minus or negative. H comma K is the perpendicular. So AB will be perpendicular to OM. AB OM slope here is A by H. AD equation becomes Y minus K here is minus H by K into X minus H. So YK minus K square is minus HX plus H square. HX plus KY is H square plus K square. Hx plus ky by h square plus k square is 1. Then what he told, which subtend right angle at the origin. So point of intersection of circle and the line joined to origin, this angle is 90. How do we get OA-OB equation means? Make a curve equation homogeneous with the second. Then we get OA-OB equation minus 2x plus 4y into hx plus ky by h square plus k square minus 1 into h square plus k square whole square 0. So x square into h square plus k square whole square, y square into h square plus x square whole square. Here, if you take LCM minus 2x into hx, that is minus 2h into h square plus k square of x. 4y into ky, 4k into h square plus k square minus h square, x square minus k square, some terms 0. We are interested only in lines are OA perpendicular to OB means x square coefficient plus y square coefficient is 0. That is h square plus k square minus 2h into h square plus k square. This is x square coefficient. Similarly, h square plus k square whole square into 4k into h square plus k square minus h square minus k square 0. So taking h square plus k square common, we get, let me write here, h square plus k square plus 2h, sorry, minus 2h plus 4y minus 1, 0. Here you will get 2 times h square. H square plus k square whole square will come 2 times. So locus will be 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 1, 0. This problem, what he given is a bar cross c bar is minus c cross b. From here, a bar cross c bar plus, which I can write a bar plus b bar cross c bar. So a bar plus b bar is t times c bar. Let us see question 1. Similarly, b bar cross c minus a cross c, c cross c 0. B minus C is parallel to A. B minus C same here. So I got here A bar plus B bar as T C bar. B cross plus C cross. B plus C as MA bar. Adding C bar to first equation, both sides, adding A bar to second equation, we will get C bar times 1 plus T is equal to M plus 1 A bar. Here two possibilities arises. If C bar is collinear with A bar, so in such case, A cross C is equal to C cross B means A cross C becomes 0, which implies C bar is parallel. That means A bar parallel to C bar parallel to B, which is a contradiction we told, not all collinear. So then possibility is C bar is not collinear. That is possible when M plus 1 and T plus 1 both are 0. In this case, A bar plus B bar is minus C bar, which is A bar plus B bar plus C bar is 0 bar. Squaring both sides, we get A square B square, that is 2 times A dot B. Mod A is 1 because ABC are unit vectors. Angle between AB he given alpha, BC he given beta. Mod B1, mod C1 cos beta. Angle between C and A given it as gamma. 2 times sigma cos alpha is minus 3. The question is 2 times 2 sigma cos alpha plus T0. It is 2 times minus 3. From here you can say T as 6. So here to solve this problem, we should have a clarity over graphs. One is square that he given it as greater than equal to 4. Another line here is greater means outside the circle. So other part minus, let us take one case, 2x minus 2y less than 0. It is x minus 1 whole square, y minus 1 whole square is 1 as a center somewhere with radius as root 2, circle is there. How the circle look like? Solving these two, x square plus y square is 4 and x square plus y square is 2x plus 2y. From here x plus y I get 2. Substituting in any one of the equation, I get x square minus 2x square minus 4x 0, x is 0 comma 2. Here circle is passing through x, here is 2 0. Here is 0 comma 2. So circle is passing through this as well as 0 comma 0. This has a diameter circle is passing like this. So now what exactly he is asking is, so in mod x mod y means there will be 4 cases. So outside the circle, so this particular area we have to find out. So how do we find this area? So this has a diameter half. This circle area is radius is how much? 2 root 2. Pi r square by 2 will give you this area, that is pi. Minus we have to remove this area, that is nothing but this part area will be area of a first circle is r is 2. It's 1/4 minus triangle area will be pi minus 2. So now pi minus 2 will give you 2 square units, which is shaded part area. So like that here, mod x mod y means this side you will have a one circle, this side you have one circle, this side, that is 4 into 2, 8 square units is the area. And as 20, I am taking some function as p of x minus 10x, p of 1 minus 10, which is 0, f of 2 will be 0, f of 3 will be here 30, 0. So I can say that fx is divisible by x minus 1, x minus 2, and x minus 3. So now p of x is fx plus 10x. Since p of x is a fourth degree, what I write here is some other linear factor I will add, x minus 2, x minus 3, plus 2 of x. So from this, p of 12 will be 12 minus t, 12 minus 1, 10, 12 minus 3 plus 1, 2. So 12 minus t, 990 plus 120. P of minus 8 minus t, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 8, which is 8 plus t, all are minus 990 minus 8. P of 12 plus P of minus 8. 990 into 12 minus t plus 12 minus t plus 8 plus t. 120 minus 8. Get cancelled. 990 into 20 plus 40. But he is asking P of 12 plus P of minus 8 by 10. That means 990 into 2 plus 4. 1980 plus 4. But he says minus 1990. P12 plus P minus 8 by 10 minus 1980 will be 4. Here, 84th question, he told it is differentiable. This in 0 to 2 means it is every differentiable function is continuous. So it is continuous in the 0 to 2 also. But integral of x whole square is an integer. So tan of integral multiple of pi is 0. So fx we can write it as ax cube plus b, 2 cos pi x plus tan inverse x for 0 less than x less than 1. So once f is continuous at x equal to 1 minus fx will be 1 plus f of x. 1 minus means a plus b. 1 plus is 2 cos pi plus tan inverse 1 minus 2 plus pi by 4. So this is equation 1. So at the same time it is differentiable at 1. F dash x will be 3ax square minus 2 sine pi x into pi plus 1 by 1 plus x square, or 1 less than x. Left derivative at 1 is 3a, which is right derivative at 1 sine pi 0, you get 2. So a becomes 1 by 6. D becomes minus 1 by 6 minus pi by 4. Now question is 6b plus 13 integral part. 6b means here minus 12 minus 1 minus 6 pi by 4 plus 13. So 3 pi by 2. Pi by 2 is 3.14 by 2, 4.5 roughly. Integral part is 4. So this one f of x is differentiable. So here it is f dash x will be limit h tends to 0 f of x by h. Limit h tends to 0 1 plus h by x minus f of 1 into x by h. Limit h tends to 0 x into f of 1 plus h by x plus 1 plus h by x into f of x minus f of x is x into 1. If I write x of 1, 1 into f of x. F of x into 1 based on definition x into f of 1 into f of x by h. Here, if you take x as 1, y as 1, in the functional equation, if you substitute f of 1 plus f of 1, which implies f of 1 is 0. So f dash x becomes limit h tends to 0 x f of 1 plus h by x plus f of x minus f of x get cancelled. H by x f of x. F of 1 is anyhow 0. Whole divided. Limit h tends to 0. H get cancelled. 1 by x f of x plus limit h tends to 0. X time f of 1 plus h by x by h. So limit is independent of x, which is fx by x. Here limit is depend only on h. H tends to 0. F of 1 plus h by x by h. So h approaches 0, you will get f of 1 by 0, 0 by 0 form. So you can write fx by x plus x, f dash 1 plus h by x into 1 by x by 1. Now, if you substitute h tends to 0, which is fx by x plus x, f dash 1 by x. f dash 1 he given it as 2. So which implies f dash x is fx by x plus 2. So dy by dx minus y by x is 2. It is linear differential equation y e power integral p dx. Q e power the same thing, which is e power minus log x plus c. Let us use some space here. Somewhere I will use this space. Here e power y log x is, this is e power minus log x. It is y by x is equal to 2 integral 1 by x is log x plus 3. So f of x by x is equal to 2 log x plus c when x is 1. 2 log 1 plus c. F of 1 0. C is 0. So then fx will be 2x log x. What he is asking, limit extends to 0 plus f of x, limit extends to 0 plus, it is 0, it approaches minus infinity. So you can write it as 0 plus 2x log x by 1 by x. So differentiation we get how much? X get cancelled, minus 2x. Limit extends to 0 plus minus 2x, here is 0. So this problem, it is sixth one, where it is defined means, since it has a complex roots, it is defined for all x belongs to R is the solution for this. If it is negative, not defined, it should be less than 1. This x into x plus 1 must be less than 1. From here, x square plus x must be from these two. It cannot be lesser, it cannot be greater at a time. So x is 0 or minus 1. These are the solutions. Modulus of sum of the solution. So answer is 1. So mod z is, in general, z is r into cos theta plus psi sin theta. Mod z is 1 means r you get as 1. Z becomes cis theta. Z bar is cis minus theta. Z by Z bar will be cis theta by cis minus theta, which is cis 2 theta. Z bar by Z becomes cis minus 2 theta. So once you add it, Z bar by Z, you get the cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta minus I sin 2 theta. So modulus of Z by Z bar plus Z bar by Z is 2 cos 2 theta, which is 1. So cos 2 theta is half. So then he given theta as 0 to 2 pi. 2 theta means 0 to 720, right? Theta is in 0 to 2 pi. What are the solutions which satisfies this? Cos graph, if you do it, 0 to pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi cos graph. So here it is cos 2 theta half. Otherwise, let me 0 to 2 pi, right? It is 2 theta can be 0 to 2 pi. 2 pi 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 can be 4 pi. So here two solutions because it's a modulus. Mod minus half also plus half. Totally you have 8 solutions. Here it is dx by dy is d square x by dy square will be d by dy of 1 by f dash x minus d by dx of 1 by f dash x. So parametric dx by dy. So this one is 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square into d by dx of f of x. So here it is 1 by dy by dx. So d square x by dy by dy square is, here it is plus d by dx. So here you have a minus plus 1 by, here again you have to differentiate 1 by g of x means g dash x, again d by dx of g of x. That gives you here d square y by dx square. So d square y by dx square into dy by dx whole cube, 0. So dy by dx whole cube into d square x by dy square plus this. If you compare this with this relation, k becomes 1. So number of integral solution, let us consider first positive integral solution. 24, you can write power of primes as like this. Here 2 cube means number of ways of arranging 3 2's in 3 different places. Like x1 plus x2 plus x3 is 3. How many solutions are there means 5c2 you have 10 solution. So what are they means? For example, all 2's you can put in one box, keeping remaining. Like that 2 2 2 here, again remaining empty. Or here remaining empty, 2 2 2's. Or 2 2's in one box, 1 2, like this. So like this you have 10 solutions. Similarly, how many ways you can arrange 3 in 3 boxes? So one, we are interested only in 1 3. It's not 3. 3 minus 1, see 3 minus 1. So here 3c2, which is 3. So totally simultaneously both has to fill up. So we should multiply 30 solutions. But since negative integers are included, for example, one solution is 2, 4, 3 is one solution. 8 into 3, 24. Another possible solutions once negative integers enters. Minus 2, 4. Like this, for every solution, 3 other possibilities will come. So 50 into 3, 90 is additional. Total solutions will be 90 plus 30, you have 120 solutions are there. your total number of functions from the set into the set. So let us consider here in this domain 1, 2, 3. Here in this codomain, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So mapping Fi less than Fj means like this. So you should not arrange. Arrange means 2 and 3 will come. F of 1 dominates F of 2. But condition here is F of 1 must be less than F of 2. It is not an arrangement. It is a selection. It can be 1, 2, 3. It can be 2, 3, 4 like that. 5, C3 possibilities are there. Is 10 solutions. So this is what Fi I less than J. Fi is strictly less than Fj. But he told equality. Equality means suppose you take 1, 2, 3 here, like 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2. This is one possible mapping. Or 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. Two possible mappings. So how many ways you can select two functions means two elements from the domain 5C2. For each two number selection, there are two mappings. That is 10 into 2, 20 mappings possible. Another is I less than j, Fi less than or equal to Fj. Another possibility is like 1, 2, 3. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All can map to 1 or all can map to 2. Like that you have 5 functions are possible. So total functions which satisfy given condition 10 plus 20 plus 5, 35. But he says 40 minus k is that is equal to 40 minus k. K becomes 5.